Today, let's look at currency hedges and how to use them to manage currency exchange rate fluctuations. Question 1. What is roll yield and why does it matter for currency hedge? Roll yield is the cost of hedging a currency exposure. It is the difference between the forward exchange rate at point A and the spot exchange rate at point B. In other words, if the investor needs to buy the base currency at the forward rate A for hedging purpose, he will have to sell the base currency at a less favorable rate B when the contract expires at time 1. So, in order to renew the hedge at each contract expiry date, the investor keeps on buying expensive and selling cheap. This is a cost, called the roll yield. Question 2. When should we hedge a currency exposure? Is it the same for all investors? The first thing is to compare the roll yield to the expected movement in exchange rate. One is the cost if investment position is hedged. The other is the cost of an unhedged position. If the roll yield is lower than the expected exchange rate movement, it is profitable to hedge. However, since exchange rate expectations may or may not materialize, the final hedging decision depends on the investor's level of certainty and his risk aversion. A risk-averse investor may hedge at 100%, while a less risk-averse investor may choose a partial hedge. Question 3. How to calculate the exchange rates to use? The spot exchange rates are listed by first showing the bid price of the base currency, then the offer price. If the trader wants to sell USD in the spot market, he will use the bid price because it is the purchase price offered by the market participants. In the special case of a matched swap, where the amounts of base currency being bought and sold are the same, the spot rate to use is the average of the bid and offer prices, or in this case, 1.3702. Now, to get the forward exchange rate, all you need to do is to add the forward points to the spot rate. Again, the points are listed with bid price first, then followed by / and then offer price. Depending on the scale, you may need to divide the forward points by 100 or 10,000 before adding it to the spot rate. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy studies and see you next time.